I'm always happy to talk about those Callaways with my mom, Diane Hunter, and we love those Callaways.
We do, and one of the things that impresses me so much about those Callaways is how respected they are in the homeownership, industry. I mean, they
absolutely.
really are, and they've got so much energy, and they're honest, and they can buy or sell anybody's home, and they will be extremely happy. And I know you've got a great home to tell us about today.
I do. I have this home that is basically in Scottsdale. It is, I'm going to give the address, 6408 East Clinton Street, and it is just over 4,000 square feet. It's got 6 bedrooms, 4 baths. This is kind of known as the entertainer's paradise. It's wonderfully remodeled, and it is on nearly an acre. It's got a premium cul-de-sac location. Light and bright with dual pane windows, plantation shutters, skylights, travertine, rich hardwood, and vaulted ceilings. And there is a very generous formal living spaces, including the living room. We've got the chandelier lit dining room, family room, a large den, eat-in kitchen, which is very impressive. They've got double doors open to the master suite. They've got in-suite 4 bedrooms. They've got attached guest quarters, expansive backyard, fenced pool, spa, patio, sport court, and view deck, everything. So, and all this for $799,900.
What a great buy.
I know.
People need to go out and see it today.
They really do.
Yeah. Thanks.